Hello friends, this is Priyanka. In today's video, we are going to make a flower. Now, I will be sharing with you how easy it is to make a flower when you are looking it from an angle. Now, this is one of those things that seems easy when you see it. However, you need a bit of technique, so I'm just going to start from the basics. And as you see, I just made two circles, one small, one big, and just drew a kind of a stem just to give me the image that where my flower is going to be and how am I looking at the entire image. Now in the second one, I'm going to do the first image exactly the same way. However, this time my emphasis is going to be on the petals. Now as you see here, I made a few dashes. This is just to make sure that all of the petals are somewhat uniform. They are not too close or too far away, and also just because of the direction. Now when we are looking at, say for example, when you fold a page of a book, you would see the page at an angle, or when you see a flower, a sunflower, it turns along with the sun. So I don't know how to explain this, but I'm sure you get what I mean. You would not see all the petals in the same way. You would see few of them have turned a bit, or you would see okay, I'll just draw and show it to you. This is a little hard to explain, but I am sure you get it. So I'm going to attempt that. So when we are looking at something from an angle, some of the edges would be a little more easier to see, and few of the sides will be a little bent or curved. So keeping that in mind, I'm gonna make this third flower of mine. Now I'm going to make this flower at an angle. Having said that, I am going to make few of the petals clearly visible and the rest of them slightly folded. Now this is one of the comments I often get, like how to make folded petal leaves or leaves, in particular of the tree. This is a very easy trick, and you can use this for just the leaves of a tree as well, and of course for the petals. The point is, the more you practice, the more easier it would get for you. So just try to pause the video, or if you want to rewind it a bit and see how it was done, just follow the steps as it is, and you would be able to make it very easily. This particular flower, this is a very small example. If you do want a detailed tutorial on how to make similar flowers, please leave your comments below. I just wanted to show this particular flower because, say for example, if you're making a bigger portrait, or if you're making a landscape, a bigger on a canvas, you can just do this flower like 5-7 times, or depending on how bigger the image is, because these are very, very small flowers, and this will fill up so much of space, and it will just make your painting, your image more full and more convincing if it is a scenery that you're painting or something like that. So as you can see, once I'm done and I'm happy with how my image looks like, only then am I going ahead and using a permanent marker. In this case, I'm using a black gel pen. These are just the few dashes just to give a few more details to the flower. I did this relatively just for the emphasis of how the petals are going to look curved. So as you can see, the top 4 petals are relatively easy to see, but the bottom 3, which would be near you, are somewhat turned. So that is what my emphasis is all about. If you are looking at something from an angle, if I was to look at this flower from the top, all the petals will be easily visible. So I hope I made it clear somewhat. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.